Bluetooth earbuds. Only one side working. If you cannot hear sound from one of your earbuds, verify they are charging, and then try pairing them with each other and your device again. Make sure the metal charging pins in your earbuds case are clean and not bent or damaged to ensure both the right and left earbuds are charging. Place both your earbuds in the charging case. Unpair the earbuds from your phone or tablet. For Apple phones or tablets, click on Settings, then Bluetooth. Click on the blue eye next to the name of your earbuds, and then choose Forget this device. For Android phones and tablets, the menus can be a little different depending on the model you have. Choose Settings, then Bluetooth, or on some phones, choose Settings, then Connected Devices, then Bluetooth. Choose your earbuds, then select Unpair or Forget. If you are not sure which name in the list is your earbuds, you may want to forget or unpair all of the items. If your earbuds have power buttons, remove the earbuds from the case and press and hold the power buttons on both earbuds at the same time for 15 seconds. If your earbuds don't have a power button, press and hold the button on the charging case for 15 seconds. You should hear a sound or see your power light flash to indicate the headphones have been reset. Remove both earbuds from the case. If they don't have power buttons, they will power on when removed. If they do have power buttons, press and hold the power buttons at the same time for 2 to 3 seconds on both earbuds to turn them on. Once powered on, the earbuds will automatically pair with each other. This usually takes about 5 seconds, and on some models you may see lights flash while the earbuds pair with each other. Next, pair the earbuds with your phone or tablet again. Go back into the Bluetooth settings menu on your phone or tablet where you just unpaired your headphones. For Apple, scroll to the bottom of the list, and you will see the name of your headphones. Click on it to pair. For Android, choose Pair New Device. Then click on the name of your headphones to pair. If you are prompted for a passcode to pair your headphones, enter 0000. You should now see your earbuds listed in the Bluetooth menu with a status of Connected or Paired.